Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE Blade A75, and today I'll show you how you can enable power saving mode on this device. So to get started, you want to swipe down from the top of the screen like so, which will bring out your toggles along with notifications, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles and locate the power saving mode, which looks like it might not be added by default. So in this case, we're going to click right here on this pencil, and I can already see power saver right over here. Once you see this icon, you want to hold it. You can see that the text right here changes, so we can now drag it above, drop it, and when you go back, you should have access to it. So for me, it is right over here. Now we can click on it, and this will now enable power saving mode, changing the battery color to green to signify that it is right now enabled. And I am going to quickly change the wallpaper just so we can kind of see that change, as this wallpaper is just absolutely obnoxious. Well, let's do this one. Yep, set both. And now you can see it a little bit better. Now once you're done with the power saving mode, you can quickly turn it off by finding the toggle once again and just simply tapping on it once more. So, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.